Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
It's a brand new day, but with the same old question, what to prepare for the tiffin today? Hi, I'm Pallavi and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable, जहाँ पे हम सॉल्व करेंगे आपकी सारी टिफिन प्रॉब्लम्स क्योंकि हम ला रहे हैं 200 recipes for 200 school days created by India's most loved chefs. So today we are going to make Paneer Shawarma. Now I know that as a mom, you're always concerned about the nutritional factor of your kids' tiffin. Whether kids on the other hand just want the taste. And this is a great recipe to sneak in lots of nutrition into your kids' tiffin along with the great taste. So let's start making Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So, start making our wonderful shawarma roll. We are going to heat some oil and now we will add some garlic, or we'll saute it like just for 2 minutes. And now we will start adding our wonderful vegetables. We'll add onions for those nice healthy fibers, some carrots, रेड बेल पेपर, येलो बेल पेपर. अब इसे अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे एंड नाउ वी विल ऐड थोड़ा सा ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर, इलायची पाउडर एंड जीरा, ड्राइड oregano एंड नाउ आवर किसान टोमेटो केचप. Kissan Tomato Ketchup adds that delectable moistness to our dish along with the refreshing tomato punch. And now we'll just add our paneer and some chopped spring onions. Just we'll mix it nicely. And our delicious shawarma stuffing is ready. For the wrap, we are using a whole wheat roti, healthy factor. Just place this wonderful stuffing at the center. Spread some mayo and some chopped spring onions. And now just fold it up. So, loaded with lots of nutrition and health, our delicious shawarma roll is ready. Let's pack the tiffin. And some nuts. And some papaya. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. Do hit the like button, subscribe to India Food Network, share the video with all your friends and family ताकि घर घर में बने हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.